Alright, we're recording.
Sweet.
Did you guys go over part 1 and part 2?
Yeah, I looked over it. Oh, wait, well, I didn't do part 2. Well, I did like the easier stuff, but I didn't do the mean stuff yet. So,
Okay.
I wish we could do like each individually, as if like we each do 5 of our own, or do it like 5 total of our group.
What do you mean?
Well, as in, do we each do 5 of our own, or do we each just do 5 as a group together?
What are you talking about? 5, though? I'm
Well, you're
confused.
supposed to take 5 numbers from that
Oh,
list.
no. It was just five numbers from the list, period. Like, because we're supposed to do part 2 on our own. And so we were just doing it as our own. If we did it as a group, we'd select it as a group.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense? So if
Yeah.
you did it on your own, because we were supposed to do part 1 and part 2 on our own. So if
Okay.
we did it on our own, then you select your own numbers. Did
Okay,
you
that's
guys
fine.
want to do it together?
It doesn't matter.
It seems pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start the quiz then. Good? Are we
Yep.
agreed?
We're agreed.
That's fine.
How did you guys do on the homework, by the way, last week?
I did good on lesson 4 and decent on lesson 5.
Lesson 4 is fine. That's good. Lesson 5, I missed 3.
Yeah, I missed 2. Well, I missed 3 or 4 the first time, and then I went back and did it and only missed 2.
Yeah,
Yeah.
number 1. I couldn't figure out number 1 for some reason.
Yeah, I couldn't
The
either.
last one I couldn't figure out the percentile. I was like, oh, I was so mad. I was like, forget this. Just put an answer.
Yeah, I did too. I did it like 3 times, and I was like, I got the same thing, but it was wrong the first time. I don't know.
All right, let's start the quiz. Let's do the quiz.
Okay. So, well, I guess we're actively participating currently. All right. So when using the when taking I don't get that. When taking samples of N5, what was the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? Right skewed. Are you guys kind of confused? This should be super
When
simple.
using when taking sample of N5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
That sounds like a question from the reading, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it just be skewed right? Oh, wait, I guess.
No, it's skewed. No, wait a minute.
It's not skewed right.
No.
When taking
Distribution, hold on, the distribution of means is right skewed. Wouldn't it be skewed left? Because it's not normal if the distribution of means. Oh wait, and it's a histogram. Yeah, so the answer would be skewed left, right?
That makes more sense.
I might be totally wrong on that. I'm getting my readings confused with oh my gosh. Maybe I'm taking too many classes if I can't.
Maybe.
If I
I
can't
understand.
keep my readings separate. Alright.
Then when taking samples of n equals 100, what is the shape of distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
I just don't even know.
I read it, dang it. I need to start reading it like right before this session instead of way in advance.
When taking a sample of n equals 100, what was the shape of? What was the shape?
It drives me crazy when the homework, like the group work, doesn't match the quiz. Ah,
Yeah, because the readings I do so far in advance, I kind of forget about it. And then I do the group work the day of or the night before. So when it doesn't match it, the group work, the prep work, I am just lost. Mainly because I don't get anything out of reading.
Yeah, no. When taking. Know what the when taking samples is? Where is that?
Um,
I'm guessing it's in text reading, but then again, it wasn't a video as well. I don't have time to go through this entire videos again.
the video kind of made me sick to look at because his camera was not, what's the word? The picture was
I
blurry.
can't find it in the reading.
It's not in the reading?
I can't find it, but I could be.
Yeah. I'm trying to open it up right now.
It's-
It's normal. The answer is normal.
Where did you find stuff about it?
In 3.1 of the reading. Because it says, shoot, I just read it.
You're fine.
If the parent
Oh.
population is almost normal, which is a mound shape, then a sample size of n equals 5 will probably be sufficient to assure that x will be approximately normally distributed. If the parent population is heavily skewed, then it will require a larger sample size to be assured that x will be normally distributed. Oh, so it's approximately normally distributed. So it would be skewed left. Which tremendously exceeded how much larger sample would require for the distribution. I don't know.
I'm reading it and I just don't quite understand how to apply it to the question.
It's clear read it for me.
You need a larger.
Sorry.
Sorry, you need a larger size. You need a larger sample size for it to be normal. So to me, it's not going to be normal.
So number 4 would be normal.
What about number 3? Number 3 would probably be skewed left.
Yeah, in my opinion, it's skewed left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 5. When using the sampling distribution applet, when n equals 5, what was the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
Who has their applet open?
I don't. I'm not as on top of it this week.
I don't know, we needed it open.
I didn't know either, because that wasn't in the prep for it.
Where can you find the link for the applet?
I think lesson 4. Is it? Lesson 5.
I don't know.
Maybe.
I just Googled BYU Idaho applet and it came up.
Normal probability applet. Here we go. Okay. I mean, is this the same applet?
I don't think it is.
I don't think so either. This is a sampling distribution applet.
Yeah, you don't want. Well, you want that. This is when using the sample distribution applet.
Yeah, it's the same.
And this
It
is
tells you to use it.
so it's, I guess, okay.
Oh
I
my
don't
gosh. I thought I was totally prepared for this week, and now I feel like I'm totally thrown off.
Oh, well,
I don't
there.
think this is the same applet.
I don't think it is, because if you look at Lesson through his videos, it's different.
Back. And it's
Ah,
back. What just happened?
Oh my gosh, we're all like,
this isn't good.
no, it's not.
So my internet just dropped, and now it just came back on. So somehow I'm still here.
Um,
Oh wait, is this it?
It says to use the sampling distribution applet. It says to use.
Yeah, but this is the normal probability applet
Oh.
from last week, and there's, I mean,
I'm reading, sorry.
okay, here it is. Okay, so it's in the reading. If you go to the text, it's in 2.1. Under
Okay.
step 1, it says to go to the following link. So if you go there, it brings you to like an instruction type page. And you have to click begin on the left hand side. I think.
Yeah, you're correct.
Okay.
Did you find the answer though?
No.
So what is the question again? When using this sample, when n equals 5, what was the shape of the distribution of means histogram? Oh. Skewed right? Or I don't know. I should know this. Did either of you get to the applet?
Oh, I'm there. It just doesn't make sense to me.
Well, so like I see the histogram, but I don't understand how to tell if it's skewed left or skewed right. Isn't it the third like box down or graph down?
Yeah, but I have nothing there.
Oh, so I think you see where it says sample on the right hand side?
No. Oh, yeah.
So I think if you click 5,
Oh. But then, like, click it a whole bunch of times. What the heck?
yeah, I don't know.
Oh, well, either way, like, the shape stays the same. It's normal.
How do you know?
Well, it's not skewed right or skewed left.
That's normal.
Yeah.
If you keep clicking it, okay, maybe I just Don't
click it
understand.
multiple times and the bars rise up, it still is in that like bell shaped. It's not
Okay, yeah.
skewed right and it's not skewed left. It's
I
in
see,
a
like if
bell shape.
I
Watch,
guess I see that if you click it like a
you're
bunch of
totally
times.
gonna get that wrong.
Huh. Okay. I don't know.
That's normal? Is that what we're saying?
I guess. I feel like we're gonna fail this.
I think we are too.
When taking samples of N100, what was the shape of when the parent population is normally distributed?
This is fun.
I know, isn't it?
Almost there. Let's see.
It's right.
Almost there.
It's right skewed. Skewed right. I think it's skewed right. I might be totally wrong, but I think it's
It looks
skewed right.
normal to me.
Looks normal. It's normal.
Yeah, it looks
Maybe
normal
I'm
to
getting
me.
it wrong.
That looks pretty normal to me.
Okay.
When it was just 5, it didn't quite.
Okay, so what did 5 look like to you guys? Because they're both not going to be normal.
I think I don't know.
How do I subtract?
Yeah, I just had to click the back button.
You just have to
Oh,
like,
okay.
yeah.
Let's see. 5 is
Skewed.
it's not normal.
Maybe I'm not understanding how to use this thing.
Maybe I'm just not understanding this very well.
It's not normal. But it's not. I mean, I guess it could be normal, but I would. I'd actually say it's normal, because if you look at the curve, it still goes up and down just slightly, just barely. You can say it's normal when it's equal. So I'd say normal.
It doesn't look like it's quite equal though.
Well, I know, but I mean, it's not skewed either direction.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay. I guess they're both normal. A lot of these have been normal.
I'm feeling kind of irritated that I really thought I was prepared for this one. And I guess I'm not.
When would the distribution of means be normally distributed?
Choose all that apply.
So if the sample size is large, that one would be definitely be normally distributed. Right?
Yeah. I think it's going to be when it's large and normally. It's normally and small. And when the sample size is right, skewed, and small. That's what I think.
Yeah, I would say if it's normal, then it's large. and if it's right skewed, it's small.
Okay, wait.
Well, that's not what I said.
When the distribution of means, when would the distribution of means be normally distributed?
Wait, that's not what you said?
I said, if it's normally distributed, it could be large and small, and then if it's right skewed, it would just be large.
Oh. It'd just be large?
That's what I think. Maybe it's just so easy.
So yeah, you're right.
Am I?
I don't know.
Oh. Or it could be
Goodness.
the easy way, and it's just both normally distributed.
Yeah, but I feel like skewed ones has to be checked.
It's not all of them. I know that, because it doesn't say all of the above. It's not all of them.
Yeah. Now I'm all feeling flustered. Because I thought I was
Yeah.
and I'm not.
So I think that's what I think. It's normally distributed, both small and large, and the sample size right skewed is large. That's what I think, but I have no clue. That's because usually a large number gives you a normal distribution, and then when it's normally distributed, well, it's normal. So that's me, though.
Well, I don't know, because it says that for a skewed distribution to become normal, it needs a larger sample. That's the only reason I don't know.
I'm trying to quickly find it, but I think I read. I had too many other class assignments from other classes in between now and my reading previously. I'm skimming all my notes. I guess this is what school means by to re-go over your reading and notes.
Well, I think that science class I have is terrible. Oh,
Oh, are you in the same science class I am?
yes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's like a 200 level foundation class, and I have more to do for that than for like anything.
Well, I know.
Okay, tell me what class it is so I know not to take it.
Environmental stewardship.
Do not take that class. Run away from that class.
What is it?
I have environmental stewardship, and there is so much to do.
I don't think I have to take that class.
It's one of the foundation choices.
Oh, I'm done with all my foundation.
Yeah. It's my last time class. That was just terrible. Oh my gosh.
Oh, thank goodness
It just bugs me that my 400 level classes don't have as much to do as my 200 level foundation course.
Find out how many calories a bear needs in 1 year.
I got a C+ on that assignment.
I did too, and he's like, because everyone did badly this time when you can redo it for this week.
He won't let us redo ours.
Oh. Okay. Anyway, that's what I'm putting. We can move on. That's up to you guys.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do horrible on this and I'm gonna cry.
Number 8.
Yeah.
Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? So the theorem is that if the sample size is large, the sample mean will be approximately normally distributed. So I would say that would be, if the sample size is large, the shape of the sampling distribution of the sample mean will be approximately, that'd be, for me it's D. I don't know what it is for you guys.
It's not C?
It could be C for you.
Wait, if the sample size is large, the shape of the sampling distribution of the sample mean will be approximately normal. Yes.
Yes, that's one.
Yes.
That's D for me. It could be F for you. I don't know.
It's D for me as well.
Okay, let x be a random variable with population mean equaling 10. The population standard deviation equals 0. Suppose a sample size of 36 is drawn from the population. What is the mean? Okay, this was on our thing, and I know how to do this.
Yeah, it's not 0. It's 6, not 0.
6, sorry. And I should go get my calculator. Dang it. I'll be right back.
Sometimes I wish, like, to help us, like, check my work, is that on the answer key would give me, like, how we did it.
Yeah.
Instead of giving the answer.
Yeah. It does sometimes, but not always.
Okay. Did you guys already figure it out, or are you waiting for me?
No.
Okay. Ah, where did I go? Okay. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample mean? Wait, now I'm confused. Hold on. Mean of the distribution of samples
No.
is equal to, okay, so 9 is 36. Because all you're doing is the parent population, and the sample size or the parent population is 36. And then 10 is,
So what, the mean is 36, you said? That's number 9?
yeah, because the mean of the distribution of the sample means is equal to the parent population.
Okay.
Oh, wait, which is 10, I'm sorry. But that doesn't make sense. Give me a second.
I'm gonna look through my notes.
To do with a mean of, yeah, the random variable with population mean, which is 10. If you look at 8 from part 2, number 8,
Yeah.
that we did,
Number 8.
that's what it comes out to. I guess it's 10. Suppose a sample size of 36 is drawn from this population.
Yeah. It would just be 10.
It would be 10.
Right.
For some reason, I feel like that's not right. But, okay.
I don't know. I could be wrong. I wouldn't trust me, honestly.
And I wouldn't trust me right now either, because I thought I was totally prepped for this. And it doesn't seem that way at all. Okay, so
Okay.
the standard deviation.
So that would be 6 over the square root of 36. Is that right?
Sorry, I'm not ignoring you. Give me 1 second.
No, you're fine.
In his backpack.
I'll show you.
It's not in his backpack, I think. Yeah, in the car. In the car. So square root. Okay, let me figure this out. N equals 113. And then the 113. Okay, this has to be easier than what I'm making it out to be. The O, and then which is the square root over N. Okay. Square root over N. The O is square root over N. Okay. O is square root of 6.
Why does it say 3 decimal places?
Well, you're square rooting it usually means you get decimal with it.
But the square root of 36 is 6, right?
Yeah.
Well, for number 9, you're trying to find out what x is.
So it's not 10.
Yeah, so it can't be 10.
But if you look at our example, what is the mean of the distribution of sample mean?
What is the mean of distribution of mean? I mean, isn't this asking the same thing that C is asking?
That's what I thought, but now that I'm reading it over and over and over, I don't think it is.
What's the equation
It's.
for 9?
I don't know if there is an equation for 9.
Read of our prep work, part 2, question 8, section C. Population.
10 is throwing me off though, because it's such a round to 3 decimal. I mean, it says 3 decimal places, but wouldn't 6 over the square root of 36 be 1?
Yes. So I don't understand. I'm beginning not to really like this class.
Okay, so let's see. So it is 10. That is correct. Let me see something. And there would be
What is
so the answer for number 10 is actually 14.696.
How did you get that?
yeah.
So what you do, so the reason why it's 10 is just you said earlier, number 10. So I think what you forgot to do was you take 36 divided by the square root of 6.
Wait, wouldn't it be the opposite of that?
No, because n is on top of the division.
No, not in the video that the lesson videos.
That's not what was on the homework either. It was the standard deviation over the square root of n.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it backwards. Sorry, let me try it again. I did it backwards.
But then it equals
Okay.
1.
Yeah, and then it equals 1, which throws me off because then she says 3 decimal places. So
Yeah,
should we put 1.000?
Wait a minute. Yeah, because I am going to do the answer of 1.
Yeah.
Well, maybe it's just there thinking to trick you.
Or maybe since in the homework it needed 3 decimal places, so maybe she just put that in there so that it didn't give it away or whatever.
Yeah. I guess I'll just put 1.
Should we put 1.000 though?
I don't know.
Sure, I'm gonna do 1.000 because
I'll just do 1. I'll be the risk.
I I think it's wrong. I think we're wrong, but that's how we did it right. We did it right. I
Yeah.
just for some reason I don't know. Oh my
So I'm
God.
looking up right now what the mean of distribution is from the book. And it says it's just the mean, the U. That's all it is.
The distribution of sample means.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one's just 10.
And the standard of the distribution of sample means is the 6 over the square root of 36, which is 1.
Yeah. All right. Number 11.
Like,
Normal.
Yeah, I said normal. That's what I think.
And then 12, the law of large numbers.
I said central limit
Why?
because the law of large numbers, the law of that, all it is as the sample size increases, the standard deviation of the sample mean will get smaller. But the central limit theorem says if the sample size is large, the sample mean will be approximately normally distributed. And so it's asking us how it's distributed.
I think it's central limit because yeah, the law of
Okay.
that's the law of large numbers. So in order for the
Okay.
distribution sample mean to be normal, it'd be the central limit. I can't explain myself in math. All right, I'm submitting.
No, you're fine.
Here we go, submitting.
Sorry, that's my fault.
Was it? Oh, I guess I should submit. It's my job.
That one was my fault. Sorry, guys.
Woo! I only missed 1. That's surprising.
Yeah, it was my fault. Sorry.
You only missed 1?
I missed number 3. That was it.
Yeah, I missed number 3. Victoria, did you also miss number 7?
Yeah.
See, I was right on that one.
Ah, Zach, we should always listen to you.
Don't do that.
Alright, guys, I won't do the reading then for Wednesday until tomorrow night or Wednesday because I felt completely lost.
I always do like really so much better if I do it like the 2 hour and a half before we meet.
Yeah.
Well, I just did this afternoon. I did part 1 and part 2, and I did fine. And I thought I knew it until I started taking this quiz.
Yeah. That's just the way math is sometimes, though, unfortunately.
Alright, I will see you guys on Wednesday, right?
Yep.
At 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Is that right? I can't,
Yeah.
I always get my times mixed up. 7 o'clock my time, so 8 o'clock.
Yep.
Alright, Victoria, can you take the URL and post it for me? Victoria?
Yeah.
Okay.